Hello crafters, welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now today's video is a viral DIY wall art using Christmas gift wrap. If that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright DIYers, let's get this video started. And for this DIY project, you guys, I am using my canvas, my Christmas gift wrap, and you guys, I can't remember if I got this gift wrap from Hobby Lobby or I don't remember where I got it from. I had it from last year, but we're using the canvas, the gift wrap, scissors, and tape, and that's it to create these two gorgeous viral DIY wall art using this Christmas gift wrap. Now what I'm doing first, you guys, I'm just going to cut the gift wrap, and I'm cutting it down to size. Then once I cut it, I am going to position it on how I want it to look on this canvas. Now these are two canvases that I was fin to throw away, but I'm gonna recycle them because I'm going to gift them to my brother after this Christmas season. Now you guys, make sure you are catching out the channels for all of this Christmas galore that we're going to be bringing your way here on Glam Queen DIY. Also, don't forget to be checking out her home is, her tablescapes, Molux vlogs, and her shorts. We should have content everywhere, you guys. But I just placed my gift wrap, I'm sorry, not contact paper, you guys, but my gift wrap onto the frame, and I'm just positioning it now, you guys, and I'm looking at how much I need to cut and where I need to cut it, but also being extra careful because these canvases does have crushed glass on the face of them. But as you can see here, we'll just put it on the tape. Now you guys, I do need you to follow me along so that you can see how I just take a item that was actually going to become trash and turn it into another piece of treasure with this viral DIY wall art using Christmas gift wrap. And to everyone, please make sure you are checking out our sponsored video content. I am releasing sponsored content daily at 12 noon. I have a overload of sponsored content to actually get out to you guys, but make sure you are coming back every day at 12 noon, or if you're busy working, make sure you do catch those videos for that sponsored content that airs at 12 noon, and we're dropping our regularly scheduled content daily again, you guys, between 5:15 and 7:45 p.m. I do fluctuate the times. It depends on the days that I'm choosing the times on, but make sure you're catching the content, and you should be getting 2 videos per day for the remainder of this Glamvember season. So with that being said, you guys continue to follow me along. I told you this was going to be a truly simple and easy DIY. I'm going to repeat the process all over again for this viral DIY canvas using Christmas gift wrap DIY video. I'm going to repeat the steps that I did on project piece number 1. We're lining up the pieces, but because my paper was short, I added another piece, and I'm just lining those pieces up so it can give me a perfect look. Now, I will tell you guys, this is going to be a temporary piece By the time you see this video, I have already created something new. So this was actually a temporary, and I do mean a temporary piece, which I love, but we did go ahead and decide to move these pieces along ahead of time. But still follow me along and see how the end result of these Christmas gift wrap wall art pieces come out. Now you guys, drop me a comment if you're liking the content I'm creating, or even if you think this is a DIY that you would replicate. I'm telling you guys, use what's in your possession. Crafting can be simple or it can be overcomplicated, as I am. Sometimes I know I am a bit extra, but sometimes I just like to think outside the box and just to do anything just as simple and simplistic as possible to create a look that I haven't saw before. Now you guys, you know, normally I do gift wrap my frames, and I like to when I use the theme, the gift that keeps giving, you'll see me wrapping pictures, and I put bows and ribbons and all of that on it. But for this DIY project here, I just wanted a simple picture on the wall that gave me a Christmas feel. I am going for strictly Winter Wonderland. Make sure you do catch the end video for this room, because you see what it looks like. We did come back and add in our pop of color. Here in my home, we're doing Winter Wonderland throughout the whole home, and I am adding a pop of color in every single space. So make sure you're coming back for that. You will be getting all those videos, mainly all of those videos on Her Home Is. You will be getting the bathroom videos and some of the Christmas tree styling, I think, but I know for sure the bathroom videos and some of the kitchen videos as well here on the DIY channel. Now you guys, we're just taping this picture down. That's it. And I did use Scotch tape and that white like duct tape like from Dollar Tree. That's all I use for this project. You do get some DIYs. We've been thinning the channel down because we are going to converge this DIY channel, but it's going to be mixed with DIY and home decor, and we're going to shift it into a how-to channel and a how-to lifestyle channel. We're going to be getting different types of, a little bit of different types of DIY, and what I'm calling it is useful DIYs that you will need and very practical as well. But if you're new, welcome. Make sure if you're not subscribed to all of our branded channels, make sure you check out Her Home Is. It is the channel for all things home decor. Check out her tablescapes. It is our tablescape or our tablescape channel. We style coffee tables, credenzas, buffets, countertops, dressers, any type of table setting that we can create videos on. That's what we do there. Also, our Molux vlogging channel, and that channel is all about vlogging my everyday life, just normal days in the life, and all of that with some bonus feature stuff in it as well. And also Her Home Shorts. That channel is going to be specifically geared for all of our shorts. Now you guys, this is the finished look. I am loving the look of this. Now once again, make sure you do subscribe to all of the channels: GlamQueenofDIY, Her Home Is, Her Tablescapes, Molux Vlogs, and Her Shorts. And we'll see you guys tomorrow on another video. Don't forget to catch that sponsored video at 12 noon, followed by a regular video at 5:30.